art employee, candidate of pedagogical sciences, excellence in education, Rauza Kasheneva has brought up a lot of talented musicians. A laureate of many musical festivals and competitions, she was born in Kazakhstan, in the town of Petropavlovsk. In 1980, she finished Petropavlovsk School of Music and in 1987, graduated from Kurmangazi State Conservatoire in Almaty. If you come to study music, then you should read music literature. If you want to become a singer, you should listen to a lot of different music and compare it. You should know who wrote the music and poetry, in what period of time, and what this piece of music is about. Today, the students of Rauza Kasheneva are the laureates of international and republican musical competitions. The graduates are proud of their teacher, and many of them work in the musical college. Vasilia Gabidulina, one of Rauza Kasheneva's students, studied solo singing in her class for 6 years. We have always felt her kindness and love. Now, when we have been teachers ourselves, we remember her words and her lessons and realize what excellent musical base we have thanks to her. She is a wonderful example of a talented teacher. Dinara Tausheva, a graduate of Rauza Kasheneva, studied vocal singing in her class for 3 years. After that, she entered the Department of Vocal Art in the Academy of Music. Today, she is in her native college and among those who help Rauza Kasheneva to reveal talents of the young students. Everything that our teacher owned, she invested in us, her students. I myself followed in her footsteps and received the vocal education. Among the graduates of Rauza Kasheneva, there are many famous musicians, singers, actors, painters, directors and teachers. The teaching staff and students of one of the best educational institutions in the town of Petropavlovsk hold concerts for school children and students of the town and region. The College of Art continues its creative activities.